Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh wow, Pioneer, did you know? You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. The network's open mainnet is finally launching on February 20th, 2025, marking a major shift in its journey. This pivotal moment signifies the transition of Pi from a closed network to an open network, enabling listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and OKX. With its Binance listing expected soon, will Pi coin break the $100 resistance? Let's explore its price prediction for 2025. The journey to mainnet, why this matters. Since its inception in 2019, PiNetwork has built a strong community of miners known as pioneers. However, the transition to a fully decentralized open network faced delays due to the need for KYC verification and mainnet migrations. With over 19 million verified users and more than 10.14 million pioneers migrated, Pi is ready to operate as a fully functional cryptocurrency. The open network launch is expected to drive mass adoption as Pi becomes more accessible to a broader audience. With listings on major crypto exchanges, demand for Pi coin is likely to surge, potentially impacting its price significantly. PiNetwork price analysis. Will Pi coin break the $100 resistance? Before the recent price increase, Pi coin price was trading within a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish technical formation. Upon the open network launch announcement, Pi's price jumped 100%, nearing the critical $100 resistance level. Resistance at $100, this is a significant psychological barrier. A strong breakout above this level could fuel a bullish rally towards $120 to $150. Support at $40 to $50. If Pi fails to hold its gains, it may retrace to this support range which previously acted as resistance. Bullish breakout scenario. If Pi convincingly breaks above $100, we could witness a parabolic rally toward $150, $200, or even higher. Pi coin price prediction for 2025 and 2030. Where will it go? Considering the recent network upgrades, increased adoption, and upcoming Binance listing, here's what to expect. Pi coin price prediction for the first quarter of 2025. As Pi becomes tradable, volatility is expected. A range between $80 and $120 is likely depending on demand and exchange liquidity. Pi coin price. Prediction for 2025 and 2030. If Pi successfully integrates real-world use cases and maintains strong community engagement, it could potentially reach $300 to $500 or more. What's next for PiNetwork? With a growing ecosystem and increasing mainstream interest, PiNetwork is moving toward mass adoption. Its integration with external payment systems and real-world applications will further enhance its value in the crypto market. The upcoming Binance listing will be a crucial test for its price stability and long-term potential. Final thoughts. PiNetwork's open mainnet launch is a historic moment for the project. While price volatility is expected, its strong community, exchange listings, and real-world utility position it for long-term success. Investors should keep an eye on key resistance levels and market sentiment as Pi coin enters a new phase of mainstream adoption. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, one of two PiNetwork founders and head of technology, explains that the open network phase will allow for greater utility within the network. Pi is the world's first crypto that users can mine for free on mobile phones, which has helped, and will continue to help, bring crypto to the hands of millions of people around the world through accessibility. The Pi blockchain allows people to conduct business with identity-verified individuals and businesses. This feature is unheard of for a Layer 1 blockchain, and opens completely new horizons for blockchain-based utility. Third-party apps and services built on Pi can interact directly with KYC-verified people, and people can interact with KYB-verified businesses and crypto services, added Kokalis, a Stanford University PhD focusing on combining distributed systems and human-computer interaction to bring cryptocurrency to everyday people. Dr. Chengdiao Fan, Pi's other founder and head of product, added that Open Network is the culmination of our endeavors to build and launch a fully developed and inclusive worldwide peer-to-peer ecosystem and online experience, fueled by Pi, with the focus of it to becoming the most widely used cryptocurrency. Pi's Open Network allows for external connectivity on the Pi mainnet, which permits the Pi token to interface with other compliant networks and systems. The external connectivity also enables the community and the decentralized world to use new types of utilities and bridge Pi with real-world businesses and their fiat-based operations. In a connected world, users can continue to use Pi as a universally understood and accepted medium of exchange, simplifying payments and expanding opportunities across the Pi ecosystem.